Shifting focus on to Cyclone Nada that is nearing the Tamil Nadu coast. Now rain and thunder showers have already begun in Chennai. Clouds have been seen in the city since the last night and one can expect heavy rainfall in Chennai. In fact, Nada is building up over the southwest Bay of Bengal. Eastern Naval Command has already been put on very high alert. In fact, they have assumed already a high degree of readiness and are taking all necessary precautions. Cyclone storm Nada is likely to make a landfall along the coastal parts of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry tomorrow morning. However, the cyclonic storm has weakened into a deep depression. The Met Department in Chennai stated that the cyclone will make a landfall between places like Vedanayam and Kadalur, and two Indian naval ships, which are Shakti and Satpura, have also been put on standby. Let's go straight across to Akshay. So Akshay, the good news is that the cyclone is weakening and is expected to make a landfall tomorrow early in the morning. But the worrying news, I would say, is the heavy rainfall that the people in parts of Tamil Nadu and particularly in Chennai will have to face.
Well, Avantika, after almost a 71% deficit rain that was seen this year, this has come as a shocking surprise to many. And in fact, it's also like a gentle reminder for what happened last year, because December 2015 was the time when Chennai had faced those heavy rainfall and the flood-like situation, and a similar situation can be seen this time as well. There's waterlogging all around the place, traffic congestion and a little bit of panic, but thankfully, because the Met Department had announced earlier itself about the arrival of Cyclone Nada, most of the schools have been shut down for the next 2 days, that is today and tomorrow, and thankfully there's no school students who have to suffer from this. But working professionals and the others are actually facing the brunt, and the heavy rainfall is come as a surprise because many of them did not expect it to be so much, because what was initially announced was that rains will start lashing only early on second morning, but the early arrival has been a surprise to many, and it's seen that many people are also facing difficulties going to the ATMs as well. Most of the ATMs in the city are seen abandoned or with only 2 or 3 visitors right now, and many others don't have money. But with so much of rain and no cash, people in Chennai are definitely having a really tough time.
Oh, absolutely. So as you rightly said, emergency services have been ready. The Navy has been put on high alert. NDRF has been deployed. But, you know, I just want to understand that on the ground, what about the administration? What is, the finance minister plan to do when it comes to pump out the extra water, especially on, the main roads or some other arterial roads?
Well, Avantika, the government has deployed a lot of resources, and they've also desilted all the lakes which are generally flooded during the time of rains. So they've desilted it and they've kept it ready, and they've also deployed pumping machines, water pumping machines, to avoid waterlogging. But in case, if you can just notice the place that I'm standing here, it's one of the arterial roads. It's called Mount Road.
Okay,
and
Akshay.
That there's a lot of waterlogging here,
right,
and traffic congestion is also because of these waterlogging.
Right.
So it's a kind of a difficult situation, though the government is working around it.
Okay, thanks so much.